It's time for Slimy Slime!
Do you see this weird slime? What about this pretty blue slime? Well, today we are going to open all these slimes to see which one is good and which one is bad. So, let's get this started. First, we are going to open this yellow slime. Oh, look, it has a dinosaur inside. Let's see, it says Cadillacs and Dinosaurs, Crystal Animal Slime. Okay, let's open this. Whoa! It is a yellow clear slime. Let's get it out. Whoa, this is awesome! Look! An orange dinosaur. This slime is so cool, guys. This is for sure a good slime. It's not sticky. Let's hide it again and put it back in the box. Great, I love this. Now let's open this Spider-Man slime. Whoa, it's so pink. It's a clear pink. Whoops. It is a small slime. Whoops, it kind of breaks. But maybe if I play with it a little bit, then that problem is solved. Let me see. Play, 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 play. Let's make a pink Spider-Man. Hello, guys. Whoa, I found that heart. Okay, this one is a great slime. Do you like ladybugs? I love ladybugs. So let's open this one. It's a pink clear slime with glitter inside. This one is also small. This one feels great. Oops, what? Come on, don't disappoint me. Let's play with it, maybe it gets better. It feels good. I like this one. I really like it. And it was very, very cheap. Oops. Great. I love this one. I really recommend it. Which one should we take next? Let's take this one. It's orange. It says Magic the Balloon Noodles. Noodles. What do they mean? Whoa, it feels so soft. Oh my god. Can you see? Ooh, it looks like an egg. What is that? The top feels great, but what is under? Ooh. Oh my god, what is this, guys? The balloon noodles. Why is it so... Ooh, it's so sticky. What is going on? Look at this, guys. Oh my god, did I do something wrong? Okay, let's try to fix this. Maybe I have to mix it all and then everything will be just fine. I hope so. It's getting better, I think, but it's still very sticky. I have it all over my hands. I mean, all over my hands. Do you have this kind of slime, guys? Please let me know in the comments below. Whoa, look at this. I just want to put it back because it's everywhere. My hands are like in a horror movie right now. I don't recommend this to anyone. Don't buy this for your kids. It's very sticky and it's getting everywhere. What noodles? What balloons? This is so sticky. Help! Just get off. Get off my hands. Oh my god. Why did I buy this? Guys, please don't buy this magic, the balloon noodles or whatever. The color was great, the top was great, but then everything was bad. Let's take the next one. This one is a clear yellow slime. It has a button on the bottom and some lights. They are green and red. This one is great. You can use it like an ornament if you don't want to play with the slime. I don't know how it's the slime yet, but now we are going to open it. Let's test the slime. Open, please open. How am I supposed to open this? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay. Somebody help. How do you open these slimes? I think I need to take something. Okay. It feels good. I like this one. It's similar to the pink ones. It's not sticky. You can play. Oh, it's just like a ball. It bounces. Whoa, I like it. It kind of breaks, but it feels good in the hands, but it kind of breaks. It's like an 8 or 7 out of 10. Let's take this bear. This one is a green slime with glitter inside. It's very shiny. Oh, this one feels great. It's kind of metallic. This one is the best one so far. It's so soft. It's not sticky. Let me try this again. It's bigger. I like this one. I really recommend it. And it's a bear. Now let's open this pink one. It's a clear slime. It's kind of pink. Oh my god, guys. Forget what I said. I think this one is the best one. It feels so good when you touch it. Yep. Let me take it all off. It has a dinosaur inside. Oh, it's sticky? No, it's not. Pum. Let's play with it. Look. An orange dinosaur. Do you like him? Let me know in the comments below. And also let me know which one was your favorite slime so far. I like this one. I really recommend it. It feels so great. Do you have slimes from the store? Or do you like to make your own slimes? It's kind of sticky. I don't know if you can see, but it still feels good. I scream, you scream. I'm kidding. Please don't scream. Let's open this ice cream slime. Guys, help me. Okay, I did it. It looks like a real ice cream, guys. This one is a clear slime. It has some sugar balls inside. This one feels great. I like it. It is small, but still awesome. Let's play with it. Look. Ooh. I like it. This one was so cheap, guys. Everybody could buy it. I love it. I really recommend this one. I don't know how to put it back now. Let's try this trick. Ta-da! Great job. I love this one. Go buy it. Now let's open this fishy one. It has a fish on it because it looks like water. It's clear blue with a lot of sparkles. Let's open it. Oh guys, I think I have a problem with opening all these boxes. Okay, I got smarter now. Come out, wherever you are. Guys, this one smells really nice compared to that orange one, noodles, bubble noodles, which was the worst, and that one smelled like dead dinosaurs. Look at this one. Oh my god, I love all these glitter and sparkly things. It's kind of crunchy. Whoa, this one looks great. Look at all these stars and hearts. It feels so good. For sure, this one is my favorite one. For sure, so far. I don't know if the next one can impress me more, but I love this one. I made the heart. Love, love, love. This one was like $1, so it was pretty cheap. It's made in China. Yep. But it's great, trust me. I really like this one. Look at it. This feels so good. Oh yeah. Me like it, like it, like it. Let's put it back. You lost the heart. You lost your heart. There you go. Bye-bye. So this one is my favorite one. Let's see the next one. This one is a red bubbly slime. And it's very hard to get it out. Ooh. This one is not so soft. And I think I don't like it. Look at that color. The color is everywhere. I don't like it. Bye. No, no. Friends, do you know what time it is? It's time for another ice cream. Whoa, I opened this one. Let's see. First we have green slime. Those are all sparkly with a little bit of glitter. They got a little bit mixed, but that's no problem. The pink one, then yellow slime, and some blue slime. Oops. Oh my god. There you go. They feel good, but they are not the best. I think it's like a 7 out of 10, maybe a 6. Let's top this one. Yeah, a 6.5. Let's do the same with the pink one. And with, oops, you see, that's why now it's a 6 out of 10. And with the blue one. 4 colored slimes. Let's put them back. I don't know where they were, so I just... Okay, oh no, this fits better there. Okay, now I can close it. Yeah, so 6 out of 10, guys. Not that cool, but still fine. It was cheap. So guys, this was all for today. I hope you really like it. Please give me a big thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button.